Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both devices. Place AirPods in their case, open the lid, and press the pairing button until the LED flashes white. On your Samsung TV, go directly to Settings, then Sound Output, and choose Bluetooth speaker list to begin discovery. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on the TV. You want the TV actively searching while the AirPods are discoverable. This immediate pairing window is short, so keep devices close and attentive. You now perform the connection. In the Bluetooth speaker list on the TV, find the AirPods entry and select it. Once you tap the name, the TV sends a pairing request, and the AirPods should respond within a few seconds. This is where timing matters. Make sure to confirm any on-screen prompts and do not move the case away. If the TV shows connected but audio doesn't come through, switch sound output back and forth once to force the audio route. This often resolves routing delays. You finish by testing and securing the connection. Play a short clip and adjust both TV and AirPods volume. Remember, TV sound settings may override headset level. If audio fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the LED cycles amber then white, then rerun the TV Bluetooth scan. This clears pairing state conflicts. If problems persist, move closer to 1 meter, remove other nearby Bluetooth devices, and try again. Interference is the most common issue, and this step usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.